Okay, so here we got some lights. As you know, doing some cleaning, doing some decluttering, and I need to replace some of these lights. Let me show you real quick. So I got these light bars, LED light bars. They work great. Have them for about 3 years now. See, that one's almost gone. Well, it's gone. Need to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna have one here, 6. This one I might change it, might not. But yeah, they work good. So I ordered them. They just arrived. And let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see how this goes. Bear with me here. Okay. Cleaning up anyway. So this is the Barrina LED T5 integrated fixtures. They're 4 feet. They're the 6-pack. Nice and sealed. Let's see. See, there it is. That's the pack of 6 Barrina LED T5 fixtures. On-off switches new. Okay. Very secured. There we go. Okay. So they give you, see how long are these? 6 foot? No. 4 foot length. 4 or 5 foot length. Let's see. Five foot. They give you 5 foot cords. Pretty simple to plug in. On, off switch. Okay. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Well, that makes sense. Give you 6 of them because there's 6 LEDs. So now you could plug these individually. I don't know, for your shop, home, office, closet, dorm, porch, crawl space. I don't know. Leave it up to you. But for my setup here, I'm gonna do something differently. And they also give you 2 of these here. These are 6 inches in length. 1, 2. Okay. 3. Okay. So this you would just hook up to a conjunction box or junction box, not conjunction, junction box, electrical box, or a longer cord if needed, perhaps longer cord. I don't know, 20, 50, 10 foot, 12 foot. I don't know really if it will even work. Probably a 10 or 12, maybe even a 15 foot, but I don't know anything longer than that. I don't know. You have to check the specs, and I'm not licensed or certified either for that, but I mean, you'll figure it out if that's what you need. So you got 2 of those. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna hook up one to the other. That way it's gonna give power to the other, to the other, to the other. That way when I turn it on, they all turn on. And that same way I got it set up here. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. So that's how I got it set up. So here it is. And I got it hooked up. And you follow it, you plug into the other one. And they go, and they go, and it continues. Then it continues, you see? And it will keep on going. So here's this one here. I don't know why this got tape. We're gonna take that off and just replace it. This one has tape here. I don't know why. Gonna go ahead and take that off and replace it. And this will hook up to the other one, and we'll continue going. So and so on. So on. Oh, here we go. So I got the switch here. If I want to turn them off or on. And I also got it plugged in here. This was already here. They had some them big bulbs. What they called? Not the T5s. The longer ones, the Sylvania ones, the real long ones, condensing ones. They really sucked. Either way, so I just picked this up. I didn't want to do nothing as far as electrical work to it or whatever. I also got this here. I guess I could hook up to this and just keep on going from there. But all I did was just plug it in. I'll probably get someone electrician. I got a buddy of mine, JR electrician. He could probably hook up to it, Junior. Probably hook up to it. Do it the right way so he could take this out for me and tap into it correctly and that. Clean this up so it could look better. Yeah, that'd probably be good. And see what he could do over here for me, because there's a whole mess over there. I don't know what happened there or why I got all that over there. But he could probably do that for me. But that'll be in another video. Anyway, back to this here. This is the reason why I picked these up in the first place. And I liked them so much that I reordered it again. So yeah, so these work perfectly for that. And these are about 20 inches in length. So that's good. 20 inches in length. 20. So far. Let's see what else we got in here. Got hardware. We got hardware. 2 little clips. Just throw a screw on it. Give you screws also, but throw a screw on it right onto your stud or ceiling or wall or joist or whatever's your application. And that would just snap right on it. Here, I'll show you in a minute. They also give you this little one. It's 1 inch. You want to get closer, back to back, real close or no space at all, back to back. Instead of this long one, just plug in back to back and keep on going. So, go ahead and open this up for you. Vamos a ver. Okay, so here are the clips. Okay, here are the clips. And let's throw one of these out. Got some instructions. A manual instructions. Barrina installation guide. Yeah, here we go. See, so it shows you how to do it. Gives you this other option, the clips, so you could put it on, mount it. Has a warranty, 3-year warranty. These lights have 3-year warranty. If you have any problem during using our product, please feel free to contact seller, and a member of our support team will be in touch within 24 hours to provide a resolution to the issue. 3 years. Probably got 2 years with mine. But I didn't bother with calling the warranty out or anything like that. These are out, they're out. That's it. They're so inexpensive. I just went ahead and just reordered them. That's fine. I know. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. I know. But I'm not going to. Okay. Back to that. Okay, so these are, again, like we said, Ah, they're shy of 4 feet. They're actually 47 inches. They're actually 47 inches, but that's fine. So, here are the clips that I was mentioning. Here are the clips. Just one screw, mount it on. If these are loose, you could just squeeze them a little. Just squeeze them a little, make them tighter, or they're too tight, open them a little. So once you have it on, mount it. This will just clip right on it, like so. And that holds it. And like I said, I've had mine for about 2 years. A little more, a little less. They haven't fallen, they haven't moved, they haven't anything. So one there, one over here. There it is. Just snap right in place, and they're on. So you would just like so, and that's good. You're ready to go on to the next one, so and so on. Or really ain't a wrong way to plug this in. I mean, it's pretty simple. It won't go this way, it won't go that way. You see? It won't go no other way. You'll just wire it to your box or whatever you're doing. So just from a demonstration, let's go ahead and plug this in. This is the cord. Go ahead and plug it in. Get my extension cord. Had it here ready, but I got it out of my way. But I got it back. Okay. So let's see. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Ha 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 ha. Let there be light. So let's see how bright these are. Go ahead and turn off the lights here for the garage. Okay. Lights are off in the garage. There it is. It's nice. Let's see. Off. Pitch black. On. Off. Pitch black. On. Well, maybe that might not help. But just threw it up here. Tell you what, why don't I mount this and then we get a better idea. Okay, let me go ahead and turn on the light. Okay, give me a second. Let me go ahead and mount it, and then I'll be right back with you. Give me a second. All right, so I already got clips on that one. There's clips here already. So let me get up here, take it off, take it down, take out these connections, and we'll plug it in with the cord. And just follow on with me. All right, give me a quick second there. Quick. Take this one off. And take this one off from here. That's one. That's two. Simple as that. This one's off. This one's off. Ya la quité. Let's put the new one on. Let's see. Here's the new one. So I'm going to put this one on with the connection. There it is. Here, let me show you a little closer. So here's the clip. Está el enchufe. Sorry, aquí está el otro enchufe. Oh, there's two here for some reason. I must have put two. I don't know why. But whatever. There's one. Aquí está el otro enchufe. Okay. Aquí está enchufado. I didn't continue. Let's go and see. Plug it in. Set you up somewhere right here. Vamos a ver, vamos a ver. So ahí está. Alright, so it's done. Gonna turn off the lights for the garage and leave that one on. So there, that one's on. That's only one light. See? There's only one light. Nomás es una. See? And I got 6 and I gotta replace some of them. Alright, let's turn it off. On. Off. On. Great. Works perfectly. So I'll just continue, blah, 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 and keep on going. Go ahead and turn the lights back on. So you can see the difference. There we go. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and put all these together, the ones I gotta replace, and I'll be right back with you. Give me a second, and I'll be right back with you. That easy. That easy. That easy. And I'll continue. Keep on going to the next one, so on, so on, so on, till I get over there. Okay, so I went ahead and I replaced this. This was over here. This one was here, from that one to there. But there we go. There we go. I need one more to replace, but I don't know. I could just hold on to it, or I would probably order a 4-pack, or well, maybe another 6-pack or so. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, there they are. Easy to install, durable, powerful. Yeah, we're good. We're good to go. And here we should have 6. Do we have 6? No, we don't have 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing one. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Huh. Let me look for it. Now I remember. Now I remember. I was missing one here, so I put it on. Missing one because we have it over here. We use it for mechanic under the car when we're changing oil, when we're doing spark plugs, or you know, just randomly. You could tell it's all dirty and that. But yeah, there it is. So again, guys, this is the Barrina brand, and I went ahead and I ordered the 6-pack, and that's what we got. The 6-pack, pack of 6 Barrina. There it is. There it is. All right, guys. Thanks for following with me. I'll continue on doing little repairs or little touch-ups here in the garage, and then we'll get down to the projects that I need to catch up on. All right. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe. Gracias.